Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change display settings on X. So let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From here, go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Now tap on Display. Here, you'll see different options on your screen. At the top, there is Media Previews, which you can turn on or off depending on whether you want images and videos to load automatically. Below that, you'll see the dark mode option. Tap on it, and you can choose how you want your display to look, like using device settings or enabling dark mode manually. Next, you'll find the sound effects option, where you can turn sounds on or off while using the app. You'll also see the web browser option. From here, you can enable or disable the in-app browser for opening links inside X. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.